Katie of Smiles and Swirls, and I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful little bowl out of air dried clay. So this is the one I'm using. It's called Natural Modeling Clay, and it's air dry. And I actually got this at the dollar store, and surprisingly, it's really quite nice to work with. So we're gonna start with your rolling pan, and we're gonna roll. I already rolled it a little bit, but I'll just show you. I'm just gonna roll out the clay so it's nice and flat. And I'm working on this is a baking sheet or parchment paper so it doesn't stick. Then I'm going to take a glass and I'm going to press it down so that I have a circle. There we go. So we're gonna start with this as our base. As you can see on this plate, I rolled out some snakes, some dots, and then I made the snakes into little swirls. I'll show you how to do that. Just take some clay, you just roll it like so, till it's quite thin, and then you just twirl it like that. Just twirl, twirl, twirl until it's about the same size as the other ones. And then I have some water with a little bit of clay in it. Just dip my finger in the water and I just press it on there just to make sure it stays together. Or if there's any cracking, you can smooth it with the water. And then you take your base. I'm gonna start with a little bit of water. And I'm just gonna wrap my snake first as a base. There we go. Just pinch the ends together. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna run my finger on the inside so that it sticks. Just to make sure it's all together. Try not to get your nail in there. And then you just build, so you can build with a whole bunch of snakes to make it long, or you can build with the swirls and the dots. I'm just gonna, so I put some water on there and I stuck it on. And then what you do, if you can see that, what you do is you take your finger again and you run it down. It helps if you don't have long nails to do this part. There, see? Smooth it all together. And then you just keep going like that. Just adding swirls all the way around. Now I'm doing it quickly so you don't have to watch me do the entire thing. But you can do this. Just make sure each one is stuck together. There we go. We have room for one more. Maybe I'll make this one a little smaller so it can fit in there. There you go. Got the makings of a beautiful pot. I'm just gonna now run my finger all the way down so that they stay. And I'm gonna pinch each side together. Just keep running your finger so it's nice and smooth. I'm gonna add some water too. That always makes sure it sticks together. Beautiful. There, that's better. Squeeze them together. Really gotta make sure those sides are staying. Yeah, and then I'm going to take my dots, and you can keep building that as tall as you want with those swirls. And I'm going to put dots at the end. So I'm dipping them in water, then I'm adding them to the top, just for decoration. Or you can see the potential of these different shapes. You could do a whole container with these little dots as well. They're quite pretty. And then once you have this all made, you can let it dry. And then you can paint it with acrylic paints. I use just regular acrylic paints. I wouldn't use tempera paints, but if you use acrylic, just regular acrylic paints, they're great. And then you can varnish it with Mod Podge or like a gel medium, whatever you have available. There, so I'm kind of smoothing the inside. Now, there you have it. There's my pot. And so if you want to add a handle like this one has, so this one has been all painted, beautiful. There's another one. You can see the potential. You can make these a lot bigger as well if you wanted. So if you wanted to do something like this where you're doing a handle, then you just make another snake. And then you attach this one I think is a little too big for a handle, but you just attach it the same way where you'd add some water to it. And then you'd pinch it on the sides like that. And there you have it. So before you're done, I would make sure that everything is sticking together and not falling off with lots of water. And I hope you enjoy this project. Thanks for watching. You can see more projects at www.smilesandswirls.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.